I don't ascribe to the hate and the fear mongering on Facebook. I don't. All right. Everyone's got an axe to grind. Everyone's got an axe to grind, and Facebook seems to be the place that everyone brings it, and it just sucks. Sea-Doo sucks. Yamaha sucks. Cowie sucks. Blah 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 blah. Everyone has the same crap to say. All right, and it's all crap. It's all crap. I've seen Sea-Doos last for 20 years. I've seen brand new Sea-Doos fail within hours of getting them off the lot. Okay. Well, how is that possible? How is that operator error? I don't know. You could sub the damn thing. You could jump it so damn hard that you break a motor mount, and all of a sudden the motor actually kinks itself and misaligns, and now you're grinding the hat into the carbon seal misaligned, and now you're oblonging the hole on the carbon seal, and now your ski sinks within hours of use. Why? You weren't doing proper break-in, and you jumped the damn thing 30 feet in the air. Okay. Misoperation. Poor operation. Yamaha. I've seen beautiful examples of FZRs that don't have a scratch on them, and they got hours. They have 250 hours on them, but they look immaculate. Why? Because the guy knows not to run up the bunks at 100 miles an hour. He knows not to go and run up the bunks of his trailer. He knows not to run up the damn beach. He knows not to grind it up on a rocky shore. He knows better. He anchors it somewhere, ties a rope to it or something. It's easy. Stays on top of his oil changes. Stays on top of his flushing. Stays on top of changing out spark plugs. Changes his air filter. Made some modifications where some things were looking a little sketchy. Like, oh, hey, the flame arrestor is kind of looking like it's kinking. Well, do I want to put it back in or just put the Riva delete kit in? I'll put the Riva delete kit in. That's easier. Okay, boom. Well, that's not an issue anymore. Okay, great. Oh, hey, listen, I broke the latch on my glove box door. Well, I'm going to go to Riva or I'm going to go to greenholt.net and I'm going to order a replacement. And it shows up 3 weeks later and you screw it on and you're like, okay, it looks brand new. Fantastic. They stay on top of it. They don't cheap out. Oh, hey, this latch isn't latching. Well, guess what? There's two 10-millimeter bolts holding the latch in. Well, if I loosen them up, latch it, and now it clicks nicely, all I have to do is release the latch, put my thumb on it, hold the latch in place, get my box and wrench, tighten it, close it, see if it latches just as nice. Okay, I've just aligned the latch. Oh my goodness, Kevin's a wizard. How did he think of that? Again, I mean, and I'm not asking everyone to be a master mechanic. I'm not. I'm really not. Because that's an impossible thing to ask. My point in all of this is if you are interested in buying a watercraft or you currently have one and you realize, I should probably be better on it, then the easiest thing is the manual. And I know everyone's like, dude, I don't like the manual. I mean, how much trash do I get for telling people to read their manual? Okay. I mean, how many guys will buy a brand new ski, fork over $15,000 to have some high-performance shop work on it? They go out there and they go 85, 89 miles an hour. They go screaming fast, and they blow their garbage up. Or they suck up a plastic bag or a rope. Or they're operating in shallow water and they grind the hell out of their impeller. Or they embed they run up on the sand, they're in 1 foot of water, and the carbon seal's full of sand, and the carbon seal totally fails. Just because you got the money doesn't mean you have the brains.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.